So here we go. It's done to coloring my nails. This part is broken. Look at, but it's okay. And it's my color blue, and they have a flower design. I'm putting a sticker flower after the blue polish nail art. So great. Good job, Miss Puritai. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye. So nice and cute. Oh.